Hey everyone! If you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, I wish my face looked a little more sculpted, trust me, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing some of my favorite, super effective methods that you can start right now to naturally tone and sculpt your face. These are easy, budget-friendly tips anyone can do at home, and I promise you'll start seeing a difference if you stick with it. Let's start with a simple face massage. This is a technique that not only helps reduce puffiness, but also boosts circulation, which can naturally tone your skin. Grab your favorite face oil or moisturizer, apply it. I like to use this one because it also tightens my face. Use your fingers to massage upwards along your jawline, cheekbones, and forehead. Always remember, massage in upward motions. This helps lift the skin instead of dragging it down. I like to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes every morning. Not only does it help with sculpting, but it's also a great way to relax and wake up your skin for the day. Next up is ice rolling. Now, if you haven't tried this yet, you're gonna love it. It's so simple. The ice helps tighten your skin, reduces puffiness, and gives you a more sculpted look. All you need is an ice roller, or even just an ice cube wrapped in a cloth. Gently roll it over your face, focus on the areas where you tend to get puffy, like under your eyes or along your jawline. I like to do this for just a couple of minutes in the morning, especially after a late night or if I'm feeling a little bloated. You'll feel refreshed and notice how much tighter your skin feels. For a quick, instant sculpted look, contouring is your best friend. You don't need a ton of products or to be a makeup expert to get this right. Just use a contour stick or powder and apply it under your cheekbones, along your jawline, and a bit on the sides of your nose. The trick is blending. Blend it upwards so your face looks naturally lifted. I use this contour as it's just very easy to blend. Remember, we're not going for harsh lines here. A soft, blended contour can make a huge difference in how your face looks in just a couple of minutes. Now, this tip might sound super simple, but it's one of the most important ones: hydration. When you're dehydrated, your skin starts holding onto water, and that's what gives you that puffy, bloated look. Drinking enough water throughout the day can help flush out excess salt and reduce swelling in your face. I aim for about 8 glasses a day, and trust me, it makes such a difference. You'll start to see your face looking more defined just by staying hydrated. One of my favorite tools for face sculpting is the gua sha. It's an ancient Chinese tool that's amazing for lymphatic drainage and reducing puffiness. Using it regularly can help lift your skin and define your features. I like to use it along my cheekbones, jawline, and neck, always working upwards and outwards. Don't rush through this, take your time and enjoy it. Not only does it help with sculpting, but it's also a great way to relax after a long day. And finally, for those long-term results, you can't forget about sleep and diet. Lack of sleep and too much salt in your food are 2 major causes of face bloating. Try cutting down on salty snacks and make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of good sleep each night. It's a slow change, but over time, your face will start to look more defined and naturally toned if you take care of yourself from the inside out. So, there you have it, my favorite, tried and true tips for a naturally sculpted face. These aren't overnight fixes, but with a little consistency, you're going to see real changes. Start small, pick a few tips to add to your routine, and watch your face transform. If you try any of these, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Let's sculpt those faces together.